Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So we're going to be doing my hair. We're going to put on a wig. We're going to style up my hair, make it look a little bit more fun to look at. I'm going to be working with Curls in this video. They're sponsoring this entire video. We're so excited. So here is their packaging. We're just going to do a quick unboxing, and then we're going to do an install and a styling. So it says Curls, love yourself. Their packaging is A1. So when you open up the box, this is what you get in the packaging. So it's the curly unit, and then in the bottom, it's just the pamphlet. The pamphlet has preparation, installation tips, and of course, it's going to have recommendations and frequently asked questions, okay? So we're gonna go into this unit. I'm so excited. I would say that their wigs take a while to make because they're customizing it just for you. So it does take a while to make. And so here we go. So this is 100% virgin human hair. Curls, natural curly texture in 20. Natural curly texture in 20 inches. And I have a coupon code, which I'm going to share with you guys. So my coupon code is on this paper here. My coupon code is YC Annesha Adams 1. You can use that for your order ID. So again, I got natural curly texture in 20 inches. And I'm going to, of course, put this in the description box so you guys can just shop it. And OMG, something. They provided clips as well in case I wanted to add this in onto the hair so the hair can stick on really well. So basically, let's do unboxing. It has brown at the bottom. I'm so excited to wet this and style it. And the front has bangs like this. It has very nice. I have not seen this in hair companies before. Wow. And the inside actually has, oh, this is so cute. Do you guys know what that says? It says my YouTube channel, Annesha Adams 1. So that's my unique code. And I wish more brands did this with their, this is why it probably took so long for them to make this, because they were doing personalized detailing. Wow. This is very high quality. And this is what I was talking about. Like, this is a good quality band. I know it's just a band, but when you've worked with a lot of companies and you've had a lot of hair pieces, trust me, you see the little things that make a company stand out. So it's adjustable. It's very nice. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks. My hair is already flat, so I don't need a wig cap, but you can put a wig cap. They didn't provide a wig cap, but I have wig caps, but if you don't need to, you don't have to. Of course, you can tell that I'm doing it like this, that this wig is a glueless wig. Olivia wig is going to be linked down below. It's natural curly, it's glueless. The curls are beautiful. We're going to define it, but even now, they're beautiful and it's easy to style. I feel like the everyday person loves the glueless wig if they don't get their wigs installed with the glue. So this is how it looks without any product in it, and we're going to put product in it because of course we want this to look really nice. So as you can see, there's brown at the bottom, and then the top is a black. So it's an ombre. The hair is really soft. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see. The hair is really soft and it's glueless. I wonder, well, I guess we're gonna do some bangs and then we're going to define it. How do I look? Of course, you guys can shop this wig down below in the description box. It's from Curls, so I'll have them linked in the description box for you guys. Let me do a 360. I got a towel because we're going to wet the hair. Now, since this is a full machine-made weft wig, so there's no lace, no glue needed, there's no frontal, and it's just a put on and go type of vibe. You can just put this whole entire wig where water is, like in a sink, and wet it, and then you can just pop it on. But obviously for YouTube and demonstration purposes, I'm gonna do it while it's on my head, just so you guys can, this smells so good, so you guys can see the full thing. Okay, so we have our towel on. Also, for you girlies who want to grow back your edges, I would recommend you getting this wig as well if you like this vibe. So the products I'm going to be using is this styling gel, and it's in black. I need to use this up, so I'm going to use it. And then I have my spray bottle with conditioner in it. I didn't mix the conditioner well, so here it is. This spray bottle. And then I have some mousse, of course, to define and hold the curls. So we're gonna get into doing this. The reason that I mix conditioner in with the water is so that the hair can be much more easily defined, instead of putting like conditioner in and then water in and water in, then conditioner in. It's just everything in one. And then I'm going to put the gel in to hold the curls and assist with defining the curls as well. So as you can see, the curls are already dropping and they're starting to define a little bit more. Now, the reason why I would recommend you guys do this in a sink prior to putting it on, because if you have makeup and you put this all over your face, it might make your makeup run a little bit. Ooh, this is already looking nice. Let's see. Let's put some more water, because sometimes we need a little bit more water. Ooh, I'm loving it already. And of course, if obviously the bangs are too long, just bring the wig back a little bit. There we go. Then you can separate your wig if you want. You can make like a side part with your wig, but I like how it looks with the wig at the front. It's beautiful. Look at the curls. Wow. This is supposed to be naturally curly 3B, 3C type of hair texture. This is beautiful. Wow. Wow, 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 whoa. Look how this looks. I love the color too. I feel like this color really looks good on brown skin and dark skin girls. That's beautiful. Let me add some more. Of course, there's gonna be like minimal shedding because you have curly hair in. But that's not a big deal because it's normal when it comes to units like this. And it's so easy for my hands to run through this. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to be doing is I'm going to go in with mousse first. We're going to go in with mousse first, and we're gonna put the mousse on the hair. Get it closer so you guys can see. The quality of this curly hair is very, very, very nice. Some curly hair that you buy, depending on the company, it's really difficult to work with, and I think it's just the quality of the hair that makes it much more difficult to work with. So I'm going to really concentrate on the ends as well, because we want the ends to be super defined. Do the same thing over here. This is beautiful. And then now I'm going to go in with styling gel. So this styling gel is kind of black, so this is how it looks. And we're gonna rub it onto here. Again, this is perfect for your hairline if you want to preserve your hairline, if you want to grow back your hairline. Wigs like this is a great start. A great addition to have to help you start. So as you can see, I am defining the hair with this, and that's it. As you can see, this took me less than like 2 minutes to do, I swear. And this is the wig defined. Let me take off my mousse off my hair. But how do you guys like it? Let me do a close-up. So the brand is Curls Curls. As I told you guys, it's going to be linked down below in the description box for you guys to shop them, especially this Glory Olivia wig. Ah, this is so pretty. Yes. Again, if anyone likes this wig, you can shop them. I did my whole review basically while putting the products in. It's a great wig. The quality of the hair is nice. The only thing I would say is making the wig takes a while because it's machine made at the factory. So they want to make it customized to your head size and they want to add their little touches to it. So as I showed you guys in the unboxing, but overall I love this wig. It's 20 inches, so it reaches right here without it being pulled, of course. But yeah, that's it. Thank you Curls Curls for working with me on this install. I love it so much. And I'm going to have them linked down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Au revoir.